So, I bought the sketchiest car off Facebook Marketplace. I had a budget of £600 and I got this 2012 Vauxhall Insignia, and let me tell you now, this is one of the worst purchases of my life. It is the sketchiest vehicle I have ever bought, ever. And that's out of all the bikes, all the cars, and I have had 75 vehicles to date with all of them written on a list, and this is the worst one. Look at this, this is how you resurface a fucking flywheel, this is, mate. World's fastest Insignia, he's flat out right now. Go on, that's it, bash it through the gears, Chavy, go on. You show it who's boss. Yes! So, I bought the car in limp mode, as you can see in that clip before there, where it's going super slow. But as well as being in limp mode, it also had no headlights working at all, right? So, in my head, I'm like, bit dodgy seeing it's got a full year's MOT, but it is what it is, I'll sort it out. So, first thing I did after that is, I went and got the DPF cleaned. Wink, wink, cleaned. And after I got the DPF cleaned, I then decided, oh, it's perfect, I'm just going to take this car straight on holiday, because the headlights were just 2 bulbs. So that was easy enough, and I got them done straight away. So, on to the holiday clips. So, an advisor on the last MOT, track rod end on that wheel. Guess what? I was had to limp it home for the past 40 miles, still got 100 miles left to go, because the track rod end's given up, and that whole wheel was doing this. And I'm about to lose control. So I had to do 50 down the motorway, and well, I got to empty this entire fucking boot to get to my jack, lift it up and wrap loads of duct tape around it so it don't fall apart. Fucking mint. Scrap that. Imagine you then go to take your wheel off to check the track rod end, and every single bolt is fucking loose. Every single fucking one. Look. Oh, I've just done that one up. And then, because my name's Bikerbrad and I'm an absolute fucking dick, I maybe sent the car sideways a little bit too much and ripped straight through one of my tyres. Brand new. Brand fucking... Get up, Insignia towing machine. You got the 100 gram, step right up for this fairgrounds ride. And now we get to the point where the big problems start. And it's not looking good, babe. Bro, I'm broke down in the middle of the fucking road. Look, I'm in the middle of the fucking road. And then one new crank sensor later. This is proper towing, Bikerbrad style. You got the Kimco pulsar using its own rear wheel to go along to stop it tipping over. You got the strap wrapped around the frame and then around the triangle sections, because the edges there should catch the strap and stop the strap moving. And hopefully the loop round itself should stop it moving there as well. Then you got this one here pulling it forward. So there's no insecure load here. This is attached. The pit bike on the other hand is just living its best life. Pit bike will make it.
That's fucking ghosty, that
is. Only way to fucking survive, didn't it? Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. So today's action plan is, I need to change the oil seal on this engine, because basically these Vauxhall engines are very good engines, yeah, almost as reliable as the PDs, except for one thing. They have a seal that goes from the sump to, like, from the oil pickup tube in the sump, yeah, to the actual engine block itself, and that seal is made of rubber. But when these things do a diesel regen for the DPF sort of thing, they're dumping diesel into the engine, yeah, some of it seeps through into the oil, and as soon as it touches that seal, the whole seal just starts perishing quickly. They probably last about 100,000 miles before you have to change them. My car is on 189,000, but we'll get into that in a bit, because I don't think it really is on that. I think it's on a lot more than that. But yeah, I now need to change the seal. I've bought an aluminium upgrade, so I'm going to be putting that in, and yeah, let's see what happens. Right, apparently it's 1 degree Celsius outside, but from the fact I can't see out my fucking windscreen or my windows, I'm assuming it's a bit colder than that, which also means that this thing here is going to have no oil pressure. Woo, let's start it up. Starts up lovely when cold. There we go. Who needs oil pressure? That is yummy. Insignia cold start. Do we have oil pressure? Are you ready? Oh, turn the radio off, you bastard. Right, let's find out. Oh, see, it kicks into life with aggression. Right, 3, 2, 1. Right, the oil pressure light would have come on by now normally, but it seems we have oil pressure. But who needs oil pressure when you've got no coolant? Woo! So not only have I got my coolant pipe issue, my cap's falling apart into a million pieces and fucking gone everywhere, so I can't even fill the cup back up. Hello! Hello, handsome boy! Hello, handsome boy! Hello, handsome boy! What's up? Hello, handsome boy! So we've got the old Siggy up on the jack stands, got a jack under the engine supporting that because my engine out from the floor. We've got Will in the background, he's currently making a tow bar for his motorbike, because you know, I can't be the only one with a tow bar on the back. You know how it is out on the old recovery. Get up, KTM 500, you ain't got one of those, you ain't got an ER5 that can tow, you ain't got an SX. So he's doing that for himself. He's one of my old trailers as metal. But I am changing the timing belt and water pump because my water pump has catastrophically exploded. Woo! Look at that, we've got the fucking timing belt exposed. I'm ready for the new bad boy. That's how you check timing. Fuck the Insignia for now, because I'm out on the fucking boat. This is his one, not my one, but fuck it, we're out here today. We've got the rods out.
Fucking shit weather.
Shit fucking weather. But it is what it is. We're both fucking soaking, we're drenched. And I've got shit all over my nose and everything, but it is what it is, eh, boys and girls? Anyway, back to the Insignia content. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Behind Brad's Bikes, because that's where you're going to find all the boating content and shit like that. Because obviously, this Bikerbrad channel is just the bikes and the cars and stuff, but I do have a second channel, Behind Brad's Bikes, where you see all the stuff like the boats, all my other projects. So get on there and have a look. Thank you. My old water pump, yeah, and look how much wiggle that has. That has so much play, it's unreal, and it's just grinds like cunt. Don't even stay spinning. It is fucking dead. New one. This one glides absolutely lovely, and there is zero play because it's brand new. This one's also metal, not plastic, but the only downside to that is these little spot welds inside look fucking shit. But apart from that, fuck it, she's brand new. So today she's had 2 brand spankers tyres on the rear. So both rears are brand fucking spankers. And then it's now obviously had its timing belt and coolant, so it's no longer leaking everywhere. Woo! Get up the Insignia. This trail, no more, never happen again. So me and my mate thought it'd be a good idea to try and warm up some fucking ginsters on the engine whilst I was driving around. Still there. Calm. Is it warm?
Not really.
Mine definitely is going to be. Mine's on the fucking exhaust.
Feels like stale now.
Mine is hot as fuck. How am I getting that out? It's gone into the DPF.
That's jokes, G.
How do I get it out? I want my slice. No! I'm about to zip tie that bit up because it's completely just snapped off. Lol, that is peak. That is peak. Who needs anti-roll bars? No one. So, the most dodgiest Insignia has done it again. As you can see, this is the front wheel, it's facing straight. This is the back wheel, this is also facing straight. Now, if we come to this side, this front wheel is facing straight. This back wheel, is pointing out into the road. What has happened here? Let's have a look, shall we? Well, first of all, we've got a lot of negative camber. It's looking like a bit of a drift car right there. What else is snapped? I don't know. Something's fucking gone kaput in it. And here we have an Insignia rear toe link. These are a recall. I took it to Vauxhall to get it recalled because it snapped. They refused due to rust. You can see, yeah, right, this bit here, clean metal. Yeah, right, so that bit there has just snapped off, which has caused it. But all this down here, that's filthy as fuck. That's already been cracked and snapped for all this time. Do you know what I mean? So, Brad being a dick again, I only went and blew the gearbox up, didn't I? Ha ha ha, you can't eat this, I can. It's not for you. Yeah, gearbox, fried. Great success. Here we have the new clutch and friction plate, and the new slave cylinder, and the alignment tool, and the gearbox mount, and the engine mount, and the gearbox. Got the new clutch and got the used gearbox, banging, and all the mounts and stuff. Got all my tools, so it's time for a final drive back home. Fucking thing, managed to drive it the whole way here. So now let's hope with all this extra weight, it can drive the whole way back. Fucking Siggy. Now, I'm not sure if you can see here, but the clutch is absolutely gone. The minute I put any throttle down, it just revs the fuck up. Here we've got Malcolm and the fucking Siggy. He's taken both the wheels off for me, taken the battery out for me. Now he's underneath, and he's taken off first wishbone. Then we've got to take off the second wishbone, and we've got to carry on taking every fucking other thing apart. But look at this, yeah? Right, that rear mount has fucking got ripped up. The exhaust is ripped up. This is straight into the DPF. Fucking hell, it's kind of shambles. Yeah, and then rust-wise, front subframe, massive fucking holes in it there. Massive fucking holes in it there. She's fucked. Fucking hell. Issues after issues with this fucking thing at the moment. Fucking subframe's fucking sat there. That's alright, that's probably low enough anyway. That's right, don't fucking force it. That's probably low enough to get the box out. Because the box has got to come through this hole here, innit? Fucking hell. Right, I've got to get this mount off now. There she fucking is. There she is. The old M32 box. Fuck the M32. You're getting the 40, you little bitch. Who needs a lathe when you got fucking me and Milky Boy? Look at this. This is how you resurface a fucking flywheel. This is, mate. You know what I mean? This is fucking brand new. Brand fucking spankers. 4:45 in the morning, and I've got the whole gearbox job done. Gearbox is mint, but I popped a fucking CV joint, and I can't get it back together. Lol. Joke. Here we go. Here we fucking go. Alright, hopefully this is first gear. I don't actually know what gear this is. This is first gear. We're away. Fucking mint. That has got a whole second crash in it now. That is straight as fuck. Get up. It's probably split right through now though, isn't it? Probably fucking see it crack. Yeah. Oh, fuck it. Let's have a look what damage the fucking strap's hiding. Oh, what's it hiding then?
It's cracked anyway.
Oh, fucking hell. That's it, right, nothing that Ali Welder won't fix. She's fucking brand new, look. Straight as fuck. So this one, look, exploded. It's in a million fucking pieces. So I've had to get the old shaft, which is here, and I've got to swap this one to make it fit the gearbox, because they're different, aren't they? It's just different gearboxes. Fuck's sake, man. I'm a fucking genius. Instead of taking the whole car apart to change the shift cables, just tied one of the ratchet straps to it. There's the new cables down there. And then it comes out here, so I can just pull them straight fucking through. I'm a genius. Fucking man. Get up the fucking Siggy! The fucking Siggy! The Siggy!
Fucking hell.
Whoa.
Fucking hell, bruv.
Way.
Oh, this cunt just nearly killed me, bruv. I'm telling you. Oh, this cunt just nearly killed me, bruv. Man's just like casually taking chunks, cleaning out the side of his wheel, bruv. Do you know what I mean? Look at the fucking state of that cunt. Let's have a look at the back one. Now, back one's sweet. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, that's not too bad. That was a still one. No, innit? It's calm. Yeah. But look at this one, bro. Fucking state of this cunt.
Fucking hell.
So you get, boy. We didn't stop there. We still done the journey. You know what I'm saying?
Just got to get underneath now, go through and check everything to make sure that last night we didn't fucking smash anything off. Know what I mean? So I'm just out on a journey, and I've got a subscriber, right, who's been watching me for like fucking 5 years, yeah? I've been uploading since 2018, it's 2025 now, yeah, right? and he's always watched my videos. He had me on Facebook and everything, yeah, right? I've been chatting to him for ages and ages. Well, guess what? I've now met the little twat.
What are you saying?
So don't forget to subscribe to his channel. What's your channel, boy?
It's literally called The Crypts. If you type in Blue Ocean Eyes, the video will come out, otherwise you ain't going to find the channel. But there's loads of cunts videos on there.
There you go.
Yeah, no way.
And here we are. Milky boy doing some welding.
Yeah.
World's best welds. You tell me no one is good as fucking reversing as me. That is dead fucking straight in there without touching that car. Do you know what I mean? No one can fucking reverse like Bikerbrad can. Do you know what I mean? And this is how you charge up a motorbike battery on the fly. 2 kitchen knives and a socket, job done. This car is proper anti-social though, I'll be honest with you. Look. She is loud as fuck. So, that is it for today's video. I'm here with Bruno boy, the absolute best baby in the world. And yeah, he wants to tell you to subscribe and like the video and make sure you leave a comment and help the YouTube algorithm get us going, because this car is shit and I want it to not be shit. I've got lots of plans for it. As of right now, it's only making 197 horsepower and I want to make it the PD killer. So let's get to it together, boys and girls. See you soon.